Alright guys, it's me again. We got the second stage in. We put a new, and I did do the work, so just messed up, I'm sorry. Put a new oil separator in. Let's see. You can see that light's too bright. Put a new oil separator in. And new compressor, the Bristol. Went in about the same way, but I retrofit a little bit. That's the first stage. I mean the second stage. It's easy to put the second stage in, especially trying to get to that oil separator. That's mainly it right now. We're going to do the first stage probably tomorrow. We got a new wiring harness we got to put in. This is up there on top of the freezer. So, raising a discharge here, suction, oil return line, in and out, and then we got a process tube or pressure adapter right here. So I'll catch you later.